From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. We are expecting more hot, humid weather, including today. Heat index values above 100, and that's going to probably be the case again for tomorrow. So we're talking about some dangerous heat index values. We do have a heat advisory in effect beginning at noon. That will continue until 7 o'clock for a large portion of the Midlands. So unsafe heat, and you probably just need to limit your time outdoors. So try to stay inside if you can. If you can't stay inside and you got to be outside, make sure you're using that sunscreen, find some shade, and as always, stay hydrated. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water because it's still going to be pretty hot and humid. Heat advisory does include a large portion of the Midlands and the Palmetto State. You notice it basically from Lancaster all the way down to the low country of South Carolina. For us here across the Midlands, it includes Kershaw, Lee, Sumter, Clarendon, Richland, Lexington, Calhoun, and Orangeburg counties. Heat index values possibly up to 110. It's still going to be hot and humid for the other counties that's not in the advisory, so be careful if you're doing anything outside. Yesterday, we did manage to make it up to 100 degrees. It was a hot day across the Midlands. We did pick up 87/100ths of an inch of rain at the Columbia Metropolitan Airport, so we did get some of that much needed rainfall yesterday. We'll have more opportunities for some rain today, beginning in the early afternoon hours, probably around 2 o'clock or so. 4 o'clock, you see those showers and thunderstorms continuing to impact parts of the Palmetto State. This is 8 o'clock. You see the rain, and then as we move into the evening and overnight hours, those rain chances will start to decrease as we lose the heating of the day. Wednesday, we'll do it all over again. Do believe the rainfall tomorrow may be a little bit more widespread, so probably a slightly better chance for those showers and thunderstorms Wednesday afternoon. And once again, you lose the daytime heating, those chances for rain will decrease. Thursday, broken record forecast. We'll have another chance for showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening hours. So we're going to keep our fingers crossed we can get some of this much needed rainfall. According to the Weather Prediction Center, we could pick up anywhere from 3 to maybe up to 4 inches of rain over towards the PD and maybe that sliver of Kershaw and Lee counties, 2.5 inches down towards the southeastern part of South Carolina. We'll have to watch for the chance for some excessive rainfall on Friday. That could lead to some flash flooding. So that may be a little bit of an issue with some of these thunderstorms that do develop towards the end of the work week. Today, the big issue is going to be the heat, humidity, air temperatures in the mid to upper 90s with that chance for showers and storms, possibly bringing us a little bit of relief. Low temperatures tonight only dropping down into the mid to upper 70s. Here's our 7-day forecast. The heat, humidity stick around. Rain chances will increase. Our temperatures will start to decrease a little bit. You'll notice it, especially by Friday, near 90 degrees. Our average this time of year is closer to 93. Upper 80s on Saturday, low 90s Sunday into Monday, and those rain chances do stick around with scattered showers and thunderstorms possible over the next several days. Myrtle Beach forecasts, basically what we're expecting here across the Midlands with those rain chances increasing, especially as we head into the weekend. Charleston, you'll have more of the same, that opportunity for showers and thunderstorms, upper 80s for highs over the weekend. And Greenville, we're expecting more of the same. Temperatures in the mid 80s Saturday, Sunday. Showers and storms look like pretty likely on Saturday and Sunday. So those rain chances are going to stick around for a large part of South Carolina. We'll move over to the tropics pretty quickly. Saharan dust going to keep things pretty quiet. That's great news there if you do have plans to head towards the coast over the next several days. Matter of fact, over the next 7 days, we're not expecting any tropical activity in the Atlantic. Obviously, it was pretty busy. We did have a major hurricane in Hurricane Beryl. We've only had 3 named storms so far, but Beryl obviously was the biggest name so far this season. Rip currents, moderate risk along the Grand Strand, so if you are heading towards the beach, you want to pay attention to that. You always want to stay swimming near a lifeguard and always pay attention to the advice of those guys. Slightly cooler than normal conditions, possibly in the upstate of South Carolina, and our 8 to 14-day temperature outlook, maybe a little bit warmer than normal, basically along and east of I-95. But we do expect at least a small chance for higher than normal rainfall totals during that same time frame.